everyone. So my name is Nandini Mururkar. So today I'm going to do conversation with Yash, and my ambition is to become a sales manager as well as I'm the student of Zero to Hero in English Academy from Gold Batch, and I want to be English confident till 29th of August 2023. So before going ahead, I would like to request Yash, please turn on your camera and give your introduction.
So hello everyone, this is me, GAUTAM Patil. So today I am going to do conversation with Nandini ma'am. She is very nice. She always receive my call. So let's start. Before starting, I would like to give my introduction. My name is GAUTAM Patil. My school name is Adis English High School. As well as I am the student of Step by Step English Speaking Classes Academy. I want to become a pilot till 2031 22nd Feb. So let's start. So okay, ma'am. Please.
So thank you so much, Yash, that you gave your time to me, and thank you for this. So here I would like to ask you that I want to know about your grand finale 9 preparations, what you did, and also your biggest learning of grand finale 9, and what planning you are doing for mission 5.
So first point, my preparation about of my preparation was so much, and we had also struggled so much a lot. You can say what happened means before grand finale means I was giving that much best whatever I can give, but after grand finale I became that much lazy. You cannot means see if we do anything before. If we get anything afterwards we get lazy, so it was that. And means what I was doing, I was doing interviews at a village. I was at village. So then after coming from village, then I started doing offline also, assignments also, online also I was continuing. So then what I was doing, I was calling my friends to Venus Chowk. And means Vishwajit, he is my good friend, and he also came on that Venus Chowk. And so we both were practicing means, and suddenly we got there one advocate and one doctor and one engineer at the same time. So it was very nice for us, and my experience also very nice about that. And I asked her that, hello sir, can I take your interview? He was means his English was so much pure, just like foreign language. So it was nice experience for me. So it was my preparation, and for increasing my confidence, also I was making daily activities. I was doing all the activities what sir was telling. So it was that. And second, my biggest learning in grand finale 9, my biggest learning is that means see, if we run alone in the race, exactly we are going to win. But with our some students are there, definitely they can get first prize, second prize, or third prize. It is my biggest learning, guys. Means we should not underestimate anyone. He is very smaller than me. He cannot do anything. We don't think like this. Just think that I will give my best. Means because of this line only, you can be successful. There are so many chances. It's that Sonu Sharma has spoken this line. Just we have to think. I'll give my best. So really, so from this only, 60% chances are there. You will get success. So my third point I would like to say my preparation for mission 3. What I am so in mission 3 I am going to just give my means my more best, whatever I had given for grand finale. And I would like to give here more best means in there were mission 4. In mission 4 I did not got even a third prize, not even a second prize. So it was very bad for me. And I'm going to give my best a lot. And for that I will do some more practice. I will do more assignments and more interviews also, and more conversation also. I had thought that before 1 week I will do at least 10 videos in a day. But afterwards I was feeling that somewhere I am making cheating, so I stopped that. So then, so I will. It's my end. So ma'am, just you overcome.
So yes, very nice, Yash, that you confess that whatever you have done means like before that also you had gone to village. There you didn't do anything, but when you came from village, you started following activities, started public speaking assignments. It was really nice, and also you committed that for Mission 5. You will do more struggle and everything you follow, whatever sir give. And I like in this that you spoke about, never underestimate people. It's true. Because whenever challenges come, so that time everyone get energy, everyone become confident. And they try to prove themselves and they try to give a best. So yes, definitely I totally agree with you. So here I would like to share about my experiences. So first is my preparations of grand finale 9. So preparations means, I got 21 days challenge. Everyone we get challenge from, we got from a challenge from sir. So I decided ki I will complete this challenge and I will not take even a single break. I did that. I proved myself. Just because of that, sir gave me grand finale opportunity because it's not easy to get that chance. And it was really great thing that I got that opportunity because of I have done many things: offline assignment, online assignments, interviews, public speakings, and activities, daily activities. Just because of these things, not only for grand finale, I did just because for my improvement. Because of that, I improved my English. Because of that, I improved my fluency. Because before that, my situation was totally different, and now. So yes, this preparations I have done, and also my biggest learning of grand finale 9. So when I went on stage, so that time when I saw people. So that time I realized where I am. That, and after that, I saw many students. Those they went on stage first time because we had gone many times on stage in our class, but they don't have experience of that stage performance. But then also they went on stage first time and they speak and had, because really they are great students, because it's not easy to directly go on stage, start speaking front of many people. Because I know when I went on stage first time in class, so that time my situation totally different. I was fearing, my hand shivering, and totally I don't know, my mind also blank. What to speak, I don't know. I gave my introduction, I shared my small journey, and I just came back. That I did. But the students really, they got this confidence because of 21 days challenges. Because challenges now made man perfect confident, made confident. Because if we are not facing challenges, means we are not learning anything. Whenever we start doing something, so obstacles come, so we should cross that obstacles. And everyone they crossed, everyone they gave best. There is no single student that I can say only that students gave best. No, everyone they gave their best. So from them I learned many things. So this is my biggest learning. And also mission 5. So every time whenever sir declare about anything like mission 5 or motivational session or this 21 days challenge, I always ready to follow these activities because I know this is a golden opportunity to improve ourselves. This is a golden opportunity to build our confidence. And yes, here now also I will try to give my best. I will try to prove myself, because when we prove ourselves, we get more opportunities. Otherwise, we will not get. So this planning I'm doing, that whatever challenge if I get from sir, so definitely I will try to complete that challenges. So this planning I'm doing for mission 5.
So thank you, ma'am, and thank you to viewers also for be with us and thank you.
Yes. So thank you so much, Yash. So